People asking so many questions. Is chocolate the inside? Is there this
I
inside?
want this one. Mommy, I have eggs.
Mm-hmm.
I want bunny.
So guys, Liam is currently sleeping. He's sleeping and my neighbor kids are around. They are in the compound playing. So let's quickly make oatmeal dessert. Is it dessert? Yeah, dessert for them, like cupcake. Let's make a cupcake. I've already washed my stuff that I'm going to be using for this cupcake. And I also have an Easter rabbit that we have used before for the Easter period. Unfortunately, I couldn't video all of that, but I just want to quickly make something for them now that Liam is sleeping and I have a little time to clean up and then also make cupcake for them. I'm going to be making banana cupcake and carrots. I'm going to be after I have banana and carrot. So let's get to it. So we have carrot here and we have banana that we're going to be using.
Wow. Isa has it.
Easter house. Hmm?
We did it.
Yeah.
Done.
Good, Arya. Arya and Heavenly have decorated.
Happy. It's wishy.
It's mushy.
Yes. It's with that mushy.
Okay. Aya, eat it and come and cut your nails, okay?
And then we will paint our nails for.
No painting nails.
Yeah.
Why are you people asking so many questions? Is chocolate the inside? Is there this
I
inside?
want this one. Ow!
There is nothing on it, Richard. Richard want to peel it. There is nothing. It's just to eat like that. Yes, it's just to eat like that.
Mommy, I have eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Bunny.
Carrot,
Carrot. Mm-hmm.
banana,
Uh-huh.
Chicken banana.
Chicken banana,
Oatmeal.
yes.
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal, yeah.
and chocolate.
Chocolate chips, yes.
Sorry,
Nope.
sugar,
Nope.
Salt.
honey,
Honey, no. Maple syrup
Syrup.
and eggs.
Oh, it's egg.
And a pinch of,
Salt.
no, I forgot to put a pinch of salt and a pinch of baking powder, a pinch of baking powder, and also Uh,
Chocolate.
and also, what else was in?
Chocolate.
What else? What else? Trying to figure out what I put. Oh yeah, vanilla
Young. Vanilla. Vanilla.
and milk.
Milk. Milk. Milk. Milk. Milk.
With milk. With milk. Is Liam awake? Liam, if you're awake, you can come and have yours.
Yeah, yeah.
I should say that again. I should do that again. Sit down and do it again.
Yeah.
No, that is not what you did. You were saying, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yo. With a big voice. Big voice. Oh, yeah.
Auntie Sayami.
Good, you like it. Well,
Can you do this every time when you eat?
okay, Sam, I will.
Please, my son.
He's still scaring? Then calm down. Emily, get Taria down. Ashley, can you wait? And do you want to get down, yes or no? I thought you said it's too scary. Do you like it, Liam? You like it? You like it? Gonna do some work. Bye-bye.